Dear customer, some users have reported that the micro SD card in the Z9 camera can sometimes get stuck and fail to eject properly. This issue is more likely to occur if the memory card you are using is slightly thicker than standard. To help with this, we've created a video tutorial demonstrating how to safely remove a stuck memory card. Before you begin, please make sure to back up all data from the memory card to your computer using a USB cable. To start, you'll need a pointed tool such as a small awl or a pair of tweezers. First, press the memory card inwards to ensure the card slot has attempted to eject it. If the card isn't completely jammed, pressing it should cause the slot to push the card out slightly. Next, gently pry the card out from the middle, lifting it a little at a time. Alternatively, you can try prying it from the side as shown in the video. If these methods don't work, you may need to open the camera housing. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides of the Z9 camera. Carefully pry open the front and back covers at the seams. This might require a bit of force, so take your time and work along the edges gradually. Once opened, use tweezers to remove the battery. You will then see 3 screws on the motherboard. Loosen these screws and then try removing the memory card again. Adjusting the motherboard position may help the card eject properly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to contact our customer support at info@spikecam.com.